Right. So Mahesh, what's up? What brings you here? Where are you from? What do you do?
I am from Neemuch, Madhya Pradesh,
Okay.
and
What do you do?
I am a student and I have completed my graduation, and
Okay.
now I am preparing for banking examination.
Okay. That's great. So what are the trouble that you're facing when it comes to talking in English, Mahesh?
The main trouble with me is that I can understand English well. I can read and write English, but when it comes to speaking, then I can't do that properly. So what is the
Okay.
problem?
Okay. So, do you have conversation with people? Are you used to having conversation, general conversation with people, strangers?
No, no, I don't do that because in my local area, there are no many people who speak English. We hardly speak English
There are not many people. Okay.
locally.
Okay. So, what are you doing to improve your spoken English?
I'm doing this conversation with Clappingo and I watch YouTube's video like TED Talks and many podcasts in English. And I speak to myself whenever I'm free. I speak to myself in my mind.
Okay. Okay. That's
Yeah.
fine. Right. So, this is your fourth session with Clapping Go, right?
No, it's not my first session on Clappingo. It's
Fourth.
first with
Fourth.
you. It's
No,
first
it's your
with you.
fourth. No, I'm
Yeah,
asking you,
it's
it's
my
your
phone.
fourth session.
Yeah,
Right.
it's my fourth one.
Okay, fine. So, how was it? Like the previous sessions and all that. Are you liking
Yeah,
Clapping Go?
yeah. Our session has been very nice till
Okay,
now.
till now. Okay, that's great. Fine. So, Mahesh, did you check the document out for the day?
Yeah, I don't check the whole document because I was busy somewhere else. So
I
I
didn't
just
check the whole. I didn't
yeah.
check the whole
Yeah,
document.
I didn't check the whole because I was busy somewhere. So I just one or two slide of that document I got to.
You can say I just took a glance. I just had a quick glance. I just
Yeah,
had
yeah,
a quick glance means like just a quick glance, right? Okay.
yeah,
So the topic for the day is actually conditional situations, right?
yeah.
So I'll give you a situation, and I want you to tell me how you'll react to that situation. What you will do. Situation
So
one. So imagine you are invisible for a day. Okay, Mahesh. What would you
yeah.
do?
First of all, if I am invisible, then I would go to my friends and slap them and create nuisance for
Slap them? Slap
yeah.
them? Okay,
Just not
okay.
slap, just like punch and all,
Punch. Friendly
and
punch.
yeah, and will create nuisance for them and know that what they do in when they are alone and
I would want to know मैं जानना चाहूंगी कि वो लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, so I would want to know.
yeah, I would want to know that. And after that I will go to some big politicians meeting like parliament and all, and I just would want to know that what they discuss, they actually care about public or they just selfish or they're
Act.
taking care of their personal
Yes,
interest. So that
yes,
is what
yes.
I want, I would want to know that.
I would want to know. Yes,
Yeah.
right. Okay. So, yeah, okay. Only one day you're invisible. Will you do anything else like robbing a bank or something?
Yeah, I will rob not the bank. I will not rob the bank. I will rob the person who are earning money through the wrong ways.
Okay.
Just
So you would
just
want to
like
rob a person who's earning money through wrong ways. Okay.
wrong ways like smuggling and thief and who are
Theft.
already robbing someone.
Thief is a person who conducts the theft.
Yeah,
Chor.
sure. Yeah,
Right. Theft. Thief. That is thief. Theft means churana.
yeah.
Theft. Okay. Right. So, second condition. What would you do if you had all the money in the world? How would you help others and what would you do for yourself? Imagine you have a lot of money with you.
Yeah, so I won't give money anyone else to just for free. I would give money only those who really need it, and
Okay.
not just give them money. I will create some environment or start their own businesses. Say in future they can earn their own money. Instead they won't depend on me. I can give them money, but at what time? Till what time I can give? So I will try to make everyone self depend.
Self-dependent.
But I will, yeah, I will start the business. I will, just like I will giving some part of
I
a
will
land.
be giving. See, if you're
Yeah,
using I will, then if you want to use ing, you should use be. I will be giving. Or if you don't want to use the ing format, you can just say I will give them, like that.
so
Oh,
I
you stuck.
part of a land so that they can do, they can agriculture on that and earn their own livelihood, and though they don't need to depend on someone else. So that is what
Yes.
I'm going to do.
Okay. So you will make them, you will enable them to be independent. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. Third condition. What would you do if you could? No. Before that, the previous one, you didn't tell me what you would do for yourself.
For myself,
With the money that you have.
if I, so I would purchase a big villa for me, or maybe
Uh-huh.
Iceland.
Oh, we'll go to Iceland, is it?
Yeah, and then purchase a lot of cars and start
Okay.
some business, start some big businesses, so that that money will not uh,
Run
over,
out.
and
Will not run
money will
out.
not run out, will not run out in future, and that's all I will do.
Okay, that's all you'll do. Fine. So, what if, third condition, what if you could commit a crime and you would not be punished for the crime? What crime would you commit? Mahesh? Okay.
Pardon, can you please repeat? I didn't heard
Yes.
properly, the
What?
connection was lost.
Yeah, I didn't hear you properly. I
Yeah,
didn't hear you, not heard you. Okay.
yeah.
So, what if you could commit one crime, okay, and you will not be punished for the crime that you commit? So, what crime would you commit?
So that crime is going to be that I'm going to uh, wait, let me think.
Go on, take your time.
uh,
Anything, you can commit anything, like, anything. You will not be punished for it.
okay, then I'm going to kill that person who is doing wrong, who is actually doing wrong, and in front of people becoming very good. So I will kill that person.
Okay, yeah. The people
Yeah,
who are really doing the wrongdoings and they're just acting as if they
yeah,
didn't do anything, who are responsible for a lot of deaths and all that.
yeah, yeah, exactly.
Okay. What if you could only choose one food item? You could only choose one food item for the rest of your life. Okay, you could only eat one food item. So, what food item would you choose if you had to survive like that?
uh, I would choose simple roti and my favorite sabji, and some papad with it.
Okay. Will you
Yeah.
not be bored? Will you not get bored?
No, because I have felt that when just like we are having daily after out of our house, we are going out for party. So I
You
because
can say when
I
we are eating out. When we are eating out.
yeah, we are waiting out. So I felt that we can't eat them for long time. After that, we
Yeah,
fed up with eating, and our home's food is the only that we are not bored of. So I think I should
that's
choose that
true.
one.
Yeah, we're not bored of our home cooked meals,
Yeah,
but the
we all
outside food we tend to get
outside
tired
food,
of it.
we sometimes it's good, but when we are having it for long time, so we just hate it.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, so what are you the most scared of, Mahesh?
Sorry.
What are you the most scared of? What are you scared of?
So I'm the most scared of height.
Height. You have a
Yeah,
phobia towards
yeah.
height.
What phobia it is,
Okay.
like, I know that word.
I forgot the name as well.
Yeah,
It's some sort of a phobia. Let's
yeah.
see what phobia it is. Yeah.
Acrophobia is fine, something like acrophobia.
Arachnophobia, no, arachnophobia is phobia
But
towards spiders. I have that. Let me see, height phobia. Yeah, it's actually acrophobia. You're right.
acrophobia, yeah,
Acro, yeah, you're
exactly.
right.
Uh,
Yeah, fear of heights.
yeah,
Acrophobia. And there is arachnophobia. It's called as the fear of spiders. I have that.
Yeah, yeah, fear of a spider.
Yeah, hydrophobia. Oh, a lot of phobias. So
Yeah, there.
you're scared of heights.
Yeah,
So what is your deepest
mountains.
regret in your life?
I'm a mountain
Something
person.
that you, sorry, what is it? What is it?
Sorry.
I didn't get you.
Yeah,
You're saying
I
something?
yeah, I'm a acrophobian, but still I like mountains.
Oh, you like mountains. Okay,
Yeah,
right. Yeah, even I love mountains as well. I think we all are scared of heights. Like we're humans, right? At the end of the day, heights, it is something very scary, I think.
but still there are some people who just like doing bungee jumping and
Yeah, they are daredevils.
paragliding.
Daredevils.
So I can't do that things.
Yeah, can't do those things.
Yeah,
That when we use, I can't do that thing, one thing. Many things
yeah,
I
yeah,
can't do
those.
those activities.
Yeah, yeah.
Right. I was about to ask you something. Yeah, what is the deepest regret in your life? Something that you can share with me.
I would say my deepest regret was to uh, completing my whole schooling in Hindi medium.
Hindi medium. Not
Yeah,
deepest was. My deepest regret is. It still is your
the
regret, right?
yeah,
So
yeah,
is. Yes. Deepest regret is completing. Why? Why? You think that if it was English medium, it would have been better?
yeah. I was I will be speaking English like you, and just
Not
because of
really. Yes,
yeah,
Mahesh.
and
I think I personally think it's also the interest because my friends they don't talk like me. And I studied in an English school, a convent school. My friends they don't talk good English like me. So it's also depends on you liking towards the language.
yeah, yeah. That's true.
Hmm. That's the thing. Right. But see, you do have good English. So how long has it been since you started talking in English, Mahesh?
It's been a year.
Only a year. Wow.
Yeah,
That's great. That's great. So you self-taught? Are you self-taught or someone helping you
yeah.
out?
No, no. This my you are the fourth person with whom I'm talking in English.
Okay. Yeah, like through
Yeah,
clapping go.
yeah, exactly.
Right, right. That's great. That's great. So, as a feedback, what I would like to give you is that yes, you do have good base of English, you do have good knowledge of English, but here and there you are missing out on the right helping verbs and certain prepositions, certain articles. You're missing it. Usage, you're missing it. So you need to work on that. That's what I
Okay.
think you need to do. And you can try and, sometimes certain tense slips also happening. Okay, so mainly focus on talking to different people in English. Try everyone, talk to different people. Try talking to strangers in English, and also try and work on your vocabulary as well. Okay,
Yeah.
vocabulary as well, you need to work on. That could help you out. And at the end of the day, record your video. Grab your phone, record your video, and practice. So when you
Okay.
record your video and practice, you will gain more confidence and more fluency you'll be able to attain, because you will be able to watch your own video and correct yourself in that manner,
Yeah.
right? So that's the thing. And also, yes, here and there you are a bit confused as well sometimes. Is it you just get a little confused, and when you're getting confused, you're committing a mistake there.
Yeah.
You're making a
Exactly.
mistake. So don't be. See, chillax. It's only a language, right? It's only,
Yeah.
and you do have good knowledge in English as well. So just relax and have good conversation with people, indulge in good conversation, and thereby you will be improving your English like that.
Exactly. I hope so.
Right, Mahesh. Do you have any doubts, Mahesh?
Yeah. One doubt that any other tips you would want to give me that can make me
Yes.
fluent
See,
faster.
yeah, faster fluency. Yes, yes, that's a tip. As in, you need to learn more phrases. Okay, there are more phrasal verbs and native English speaker phrases. Google is your friend. Google everything up. Phrases. Okay,
Yeah.
and start using more phrases, synonyms, and idioms in your spoken English.
Okay.
And if you have any doubts about using them in sentences, just Google up examples, phrases usage examples, idioms usage examples, like that, and try and include more phrases in your spoken English. So you'll be able to sound like an advanced extreme level of speaker, faster. It'll really make you sound like you are an advanced speaker faster. That's actually a trick, actually.
I'll truly work on it.
Okay. Right. Anything else that you want to ask me, Mahesh?
No, not much for today.
So, okay. So, are you going to go to sleep after the session, or what time do you sleep at?
No, I'm having an exam day after tomorrow, so I'm going to study.
Oh, you're going to prepare. Okay. What time
Yeah.
do you wake up at in the morning?
I am not a morning person, so I wake up late in the morning at 9 o'clock approx.
Oh, 9 is all right. It's okay. I wake up at 10, about 10. And when I'm home, sometimes I wake up at 12, 11, sometimes.
Oh,
Right?
so what do you do actually?
I work as a tribal resort manager in Odisha.
Are you from Odisha?
No, I'm from Kerala.
You from Kerala? Okay.
Yes, yes. I work in Odisha as a tribal resort manager. So I think our session is about to end. It was lovely talking to you, Mahesh. Take care, stay
Same
safe,
here,
and good
same
night.
here.
Bye-bye. Good night.
Good night. Bye bye.
Good night.